This is the dash cam from Blackbox Pro dual lens DVR. Right now in Amazon it is listed for about $2,975 in an offer, which is a great deal. And in Amazon maybe you will see the brand name as Conbre Enterprise, but then I believe this is white labeled product. The actual brand name is Vehicle Blackbox DVR, dual lens setup for rear and front. Front camera is adjustable with Super HD 1296 pixel. What else do we have? This is the branding that you will see if you buy it from Amazon, and the MRP says $8,999, but you can get it for $3K, somewhere around $3K in an offer right now. So it has HD video recording, it has 3-inch HD display, 170-degree wide angle for the front camera, rear view. You have loop recording, which means it will delete the old videos and then rewrite the new videos as per the storage. It supports Wi-Fi recording. Let's try to unbox this and see what we have. This is black in color, by the way. So this is the rear camera. Comes with LED for night vision. Quality is okay, not very great. For this price range, it is good. And you have this connector, which you can use to connect to the main unit. And then you have this cable for the rear camera. Your rear camera goes in here like this, and then you have this plug which goes inside the main unit. This goes to your reverse light, so that when you engage the reverse gear, the same will activate the reverse camera. Pretty decent in length, should not have any issues installing it in any SUVs or sedan. So this is the mounting plate that you get. Good solid mounting plate. This sticks to your front windshield, and your main unit is hooked here. This is your main unit. Full HD 1296 pixel front. And this is the back. Quality is okay, not amazing. For this price range, it is good. Here you have the mic. This is where you install your micro SD card. So I have 64 GB. I believe the maximum limit is 64 GB. And you have the buttons here. Up arrow, down arrow, and the menu, I believe. On the other hand, on the other side, you have manual lock, this one, and then OK. The camera is adjustable, tiltable, so you can adjust the angle of the camera. I'll show you all the functionality in some time. Pretty light in weight. And then you get this cable as well, which is for the main unit, and this is the USB connector. Length is okay, Not sure how lengthy is this cable. Cigarette lighter, and then the connector. You get this double-sided tape for the rear camera, as in you have to stick this and then screw the rear camera like this. And you have screws as well inside, 2 in number. You get the manual, and in the manual you can see all the details about the buttons. One is fixed tent hole, 2 is power interface, 3 is AV in interface, 4 is OK key, 5 is mode key, 6 is lock key. 7 is power key and screen protection key. 8 is down key, 9 is menu key, 10 is up key, 11 is TF card slot, 12 is loudspeaker, 13 is the camera lens, 14 is reset, 15 is mic, and 16 is LCD. You can download the app using this QR code that I'll show you in some time. Let me try to hook this camera and show you the video quality from the front camera and from the rear camera. Let me attach the camera. So now the camera is attached. This is the rear camera. It is attached to the main unit. And this is the power supply, USB. And I'm going to hook this to the power source, and let's try to turn it on. So that's how it looks when it starts, and you can check out the SSID, Wi-Fi name, and the password to connect to the unit, and you can check out the quality. It's okay, not great. I'll attach the video recording from the front camera as well, and the rear camera also. You can see on the top right, it says 1296 pixel. You have all the notification. Right now I have 64 GB card inserted, and let me show you the functionality. So you can switch between the cameras. So this is the front camera and the rear camera all together in a split screen. This is your front camera only. This is your rear camera. Again, this is the normal display where you see both the feed from the front camera. Again, I'm showing you the quality. This is a dark room. I'll share the video quality, and let me show you the video quality from the rear camera. I would say it's not great, but it does the job. So this is the rear camera. So this is a dark room. Again, I'm going to attach the video from front camera as well as the rear camera so that you can figure out the quality. Let me try to connect to the camera. So I have this app which I downloaded using the QR code. And again, you can find the QR code in the manual. So this is the QR code that I use to download the app. And app look like this. Name of the app, let me try to see. So this is the name of the app that you will see. VIIDURE. Let me try to add the camera here. I'm going to connect to the Wi-Fi that I see on the camera screen. I hope you can see. Password is 12345678. So right now the camera is added to the app, and I believe you should see all the feed in your app. And you can see here, I see camera files, I see camera settings. You can pause the recording, and this is the speed. You can see here, pretty good. This is where you see the recordings, snapshot, logged, parking, pretty great. And you have timeline as well. Here you can see there is a timeline. So this is the camera settings. Sound recording, if you want, you can enable it. Boot voice, key voice. Image resolution, you can change it to 12M. Image quality, you can set it to high, low, medium. Video recording, video resolution is 2K and 1080, so I'm keeping it to 2K. Timestamp is enabled. Format you can see here, and factory reset option here, and you have the GPS, which is not showing anything, and it uses mobile phone GPS positioning. Let me try to attach the video quality from the camera. That's all in this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. See you in the next video.